Meaning of hazardous.
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 Hazardous. The term hazardous refers to something that is potentially dangerous or harmful to people or the environment. Hazardous substances, such as toxic chemicals, radioactive materials, and flammable liquids, can cause serious health problems if not handled properly. Hazards can also include physical threats, such as high-voltage electricity or dangerous machinery. In short, anything that poses a threat to the well-being of individuals or the environment can be considered hazardous. It is important to identify and manage these hazards appropriately to prevent accidents, injuries, and environmental damage.